good times.
Oh, baby. Yes, sir, Lex.
Yes.
Now, I know you didn't watch last night's episode because you didn't put anything in the chat room.
Ano, isa pa lang eh.
You said you were going to go week to week. Hold on, let me get rid of this in the background. You said you were going to go week to week.
Hindi ko kaya yun. Maiinis ako doon. Gusto ko dalawa. Sige, tatry ko kayo. Sinumula ko na.
There's the game.
Sorry. What did you say?
Sorry, sino yun? Sino sa ito?
I don't know. It was Game of Thrones thing here. Never mind. Anyway, whatever. Go ahead. Yeah.
Nagsimula ako ng mga first 15 minutes. Nakita ko yung episode. Nakadelikado. Ayoko ng ganito.
Kay watched it. Now, here's the problem with Kay. She watched it, but she didn't. I think she said she didn't watch the first 2 episodes, so she was a little confused. She posted it on her IG. It was so good. Now, again, sometimes I know what my weakness is. I get too excited about great material, and then maybe I start overinflating its value and all of that. And I was watching it, and I'm like, okay, immediately my mind goes to, where does this rank in best let's see, intro to a season episodes. What are they called? Premieres. Where does this rank in battle scenes? Where does it rank in shock factor? Like, I just kind of, to myself, I have this conversation. And then I came across Time Magazine, who already did it for us. And they put the big battle scene from yesterday, which I can't talk about now because you haven't seen it. But they put the Battle of the Gullet as the 6th best scene in Game of Thrones history. And I don't know, I'm trying to figure out if that is, and remember, to have it in the best top 10 on a premiere episode is huge. Because usually we'll see your top 10 battle scenes or your top 10 episodes and all of that happen as the finale or the penultimate, or however, I don't know how you pronounce that word, but the one right before the finale. Rarely, I don't even think we've ever seen where one of the best episodes ranked is the first episode. So anyway, Lex, go ahead.
Ang problema ko kasi, yun na nga, naranasan ko na yung kahapon. Wala akong masyado matandaan kung ano na nangyari. Na-mix ko na yung Game of Thrones and na-mix up ko yung Game of Thrones up. So, ano ba to? So, parang doon ako nawala ng sabi ko, kung gusto ko muna manood ulit nung season 2.
Look, I think what people were saying yesterday on the show, which is watch a recap. You can watch a recap on YouTube. I think HBO Max was one of the recommended ones as well. They have their own recap. I did watch a recap. I watched the short recap because I didn't want to, sit there for 15, 20 minutes because I don't have 15, 20 minutes last night. So I watched a 6-minute recap, Lex. It was plenty. Perfectly.
Talaga?
Yes.
Saan?
And also on YouTube.
Simula? Sa YouTube ba?
House of the Dragon. Season 2 recap. There's so many of them. You can pick whatever.
Baka kasi naman logo eh.
No, it's so good. And some of them are official recaps, like recaps by Game of Thrones themselves or HBO themselves. So they're way more official. You can do that. And it will catch you up. And god damn it, was last night's episode so good.
Sige. Promise ko mo. Gagawin ko na ngayon. Nagsimula ako mo. Ito mo gusto ko, kwento ko pa yung simula eh. Bilang sa pinto. Di ba? Yung may hinatak ni yung si black guy na wala naman pala alam sa nangyari. Binupuputa siya ng ulo, wala siyang kalam-alam. Sabi niya, bakit boss? Sabi, bakit ka nag-ano? Anong ginawa mo? Sabi ko, boss, anong ginagawa? Tapos pupugutan siya ng ulo. Sabi niya, buti na lang may sumingit na, pre. Wala na si King. Tapos pati yung alalay niya nawawala. Buti na lang hindi siya napugutan ng ulo doon. Tapos pagtingin ko, kasama na nung yung alalay, yung si King na sunog. Diba, nasunog siya, tapos sumasakit yung katawan. Tapos bilang may humarang sa kanila, pagharang sa kanila, bilang ninaglag siya nung alalay niya, sabi niya, wag, ito King to, ito pa nga yung corona Tapos hindi ko mag-gets, bakit niya ilalaglag? Nag-stop ako doon.
And then you stop. Oh my God. What? You better have gotten a DM from someone. You would have something may have better distracted you that was worth it, because this episode last night was fantastic. Hey, good morning. You watched the entire thing, or like Alex, did you puss out after half a episode?
I had a hard time kasi
oh my God.
Nung nakita ko na yung ulo, spoiler, na ginanon.
Ayun, umabot ako doon. Umabot pala ako doon. Sandali, umabot ako doon. Yung may lumabas doon sa lumabas doon sa may
Trace.
gubat.
Oh.
Tapos
Yeah.
tinginan sila bilang may binatong ulo. Hindi ko rin malaman kung sino yung ulo yun.
Yeah.
That was the Lannister head, right? Or whose head was that? I think it was the Lannister head, wasn't it? But
Just to basically show allegiance,
yun.
right?
yeah,
And
yeah.
I took a break and then kaya ako napuyat.
Yun. Napakain
It's
tuloy ako ng
because-
paano ba pumunod sa ito kay yung yung may
Alliance Francais.
hindi yung pasta na may pasta na alio ayun
Aliolio?
ayun
Ah.
yun yung
Hindi
alio
ko rin sure.
tama ba pag-pronounce doon napakain
Hindi
ako mo
ako.
11:30 doon ako na ba doon ako pala
Alio-
umabot pala ako doon sorry umabot ako
Okay.
tapos doon sa may batang babae na sumasakay doon sa dragon tapos nilalaglag so iniwan siya sa bundok lumipad kakantahan pa niya sana di ba kakantahan pa niya na parang tapos iniwan siya
Saan ba siya dito?
Umabot ako doon.
Wala siya dito sa cards.
yun eh lang
Yeah.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked though that you didn't finish it because
I finished it. I'm saying I stopped there because it was too much for after radio, which is 10 a.m. And then I resumed last night and finished it till the very end and then watched Emergency Awesome. Pero napuyat ako. And I fell asleep on the floor.
perfect. So what? I mean, how'd you find the episode? Am I
Great.
just losing my mind for no
it's
reason,
great,
or
it's
or what?
great. It's just that I don't know who anyone is. But they kind of look like their versions. Well, yung mga ano nila, 'di ba?
panoorin ko na.
Descendants, which is what we watched in Game of Thrones. So you can kind of tell what
Yeah,
house
why
Yeah,
they're
because they got
from.
the Targaryen blonde hair and all that stuff. Okay,
yeah, things like
All
that.
right.
So it's kind of easy in that sense. But then I just have a lot of catching up to do. Yeah, it was very good. It's just very hard to watch, no? I mean, just I guess the violence and everything again.
You know, when it comes to this franchise, this is the only one where if you don't watch or if you don't catch up or if you don't care, this is the one where dun ako nagagalit sa tao. You know, like you have the freedom to do whatever you want. I really don't care what we do with your life. You can eat what you want, do what you want, like your kind of music. You can listen to death metal. I don't care. You can, but if you don't like Game of Thrones, that's where I lose you. You know, I'm like,
Got it.
I should have to recalibrate.
Reevaluate.
Yeah, and go, who should be in my circle? Because if you guys don't like it, there's something wrong. Like if you're not obsessed with it. Now, Lex, we know that it took you 10 years to finally get there, and you were finally there. You were all in.
Friendship saved.
No.
Yeah, I was going to give you only
si
6 more
Damon,
months.
si Damon yung long hair na uncle, di ba?
Well, uncle and husband.
Oo.
yeah.
Tapos yung utol ni nung sunog na king, siya rin di ba sumunog doon?
Yeah, Aemon.
Di ba siya rin yun?
Ano?
Siya rin ang sumunog doon kay Aemon?
Yeah,
Wala
yeah,
yan.
yeah. Aemon is the one may one eye.
Kaya nga, siya yung sumunog doon sa utol
Yeah.
niya.
Yes.
Na comatose,
Yeah.
Hindi ko na tuloy
Ano ba
malaman
rin?
kung naalala na ng
Kailangan
kapatid
pala
niya.
ng cheat sheet, no?
Ay na lang tanong ko mo. Alam na ba ni sunog na ni King na na siya ang sumunog sa kanya yung kapatid niya?
I don't think so. I don't know. I don't remember. That's what you see. Again, it's so much has gone by. I don't know if he does. If that he lost his short-term memory because of the accident
Got it.
and does not know that Aemon actually
Ito ba?
lit him.
Ito pa, dito na tayo. Yung pagpunta pa nung nanay na babae, yung si nanay, nagpunta doon, di ba? Kay
Nanay.
kay Prince, kay Queen, kay Queen Taragis.
Yeah.
Sino?
Rhaenyra.
Ito si Queen.
Sino yung babae na
Rhaenyra Targaryen. Yeah.
Oh, yun. Nagpunta doon.
Ito ba? Si Queen.
Hindi, pagpunta niya ba doon, sincere siya na, hoy, ako ba,
Ito ba si nanay? Ay, hindi. Ito.
Hindi, yung isa, akala ko kung sincere eh. Hindi ko alam. Ayan, di ba nagpunta siya?
Hightower. Yeah. Yeah.
Si, ano pangalan niyang babae na yan?
Alicent. Parang Alice
Alicent.
Dicton na may NT.
Di ba
Alicent.
pinuntahan niya si Taragis? Ano sabi niya? Di ba totoo ba yun o
Ano yung Taragis? Targaryen?
Si Targaryen yung babae na
Wisit
Yeah.
yung Taragis.
na tomboy na pala.
Ha?
Di ba naipag-kiss niya doon sa
Happy
may alalay niya?
Pride.
Naipag-kiss siya sa alalay niya eh.
Hindi niya
Correct.
alam. My God, yung
Tama.
words.
Sincere ba? Sincere ba o part na ano yun?
I think the big kissing scene yesterday that everybody was losing their minds over was Amon making out with his mom. Allison.
Ha?
Ay,
Ah,
hindi mo
hindi mo umabot doon.
Oo.
Hindi ko inala.
pero may speech muna siya, diba, before they kissed. That's very strange.
That's very sweet.
Sino-
That's very good.
Sige.
What an episode. Just please do watch it if you haven't caught up. I mean, look,
Please. Yeah, actually, yung pinaka-impressive, I think, would be the water. I would just say water scenes.
yeah, the Battle of the Gullet. We before you came in, we talked about it.
Okay.
Sixth best fight in the history of Game of
Grabe,
Thrones
wow.
per Time Magazine.
Working in the water is one of the toughest things, just mentally. And to
We don't
do
care
it.
about them as actors, my dear. We care about the scene, like the
Oh, yeah.
story.
I'm
Kings.
just saying it's amazing.
Ito ba yung mga
Alright.
Sea Kings? Ito ba? Maganon? Membol
Ano?
ba?
Tapos ang galing yung seahorse. Parang gumawa sila ng giant seahorse. Tapos parang, whoa!
Yeah.
Basta, antayin mo.
Yes, yeah.
Pag,
At least- at
pag
least-
nakikita mo na yung seahorse.
Sorry mo,
Sabihin mo sa
15
akin.
minutes pa lang nagawa ko. 15 to 20 minutes pa lang. I will...
Pero mapupuyat ka talaga.
nakatulog kasi ako dun sa boses ni ano eh. Nung black guy, yung kinakausap na dun sa table. Doon ako
It was the
inantok
first
eh.
10 seconds of the episode.
Hindi, iba yun. Yung ano, hindi black guy na hinuli ha. Yung isa ay nag-uusap.
Ito ba?
Ayan, si guy. Ang boses niyan. Pwedeng pampatulog yan eh. Sa Calm na app. Doon kami nadali eh.
Calm.
Oo.
Calm.
Calm.
Yeah, see the L.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's like a different
Sorry,
app
sorry,
altogether. I mean, the other
Silent
things we
ang L na
keep-
calm up. Wala, okay, sorry.
Yeah, calm.
It's so hard to talk about these things, less than 24 hours after they happen
Oo
because
nga.
of the spoiler. We know about that. It's, even we try to respect that a little bit, though I think of all broadcasters, we're the ones who don't, we're the spoilers, okay? Probably not the show you want to listen to on a Tuesday morning, but we will talk about it a lot week after week. So please catch up.
Tomorrow, yari kayo sa akin. Wala akong pakialam sa iyo. Manood na kayo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Matatapos ko na ito. Wala akong gagawin ngayong araw eh. Papanoorin ko talaga ito. Tapos yari kayo sa akin. Yari kayo sa posting ko. Iwas-iwasan nyo muna ako ngayon.
I'm funny.
Gusto ko nga
But it is okay. But it's a substantial episode. Like, it had a big ending, big start to this season 3, and just wow. Okay, that's all. We'll see.
Anong budget? Anong budget ng per episode? Do you know?
No, I don't. That's probably easily Googleable, if
Yeah.
that's a word. But you'd have to assume it's quite the expense.
It's also a cooking show at some point. That, I guess, is one of the best parts also.
What do you mean? Because the dragons just light up every animal and they eat it?
Yeah, diba? There was like a part where there's like, they prep the food, they eat the food.
What I like about House of the Dragon, especially these past seasons, is how much dragon work is going on and how much
Mhm.
dragon action is going on. Because in Game of Thrones, they were babies or largely
Yeah.
theoretical in the beginning, right? It was like, oh, mother of dragons, but there's no dragons. Oh, there's some eggs, but we don't really see them. And then we see them, they're little babies. nothing really action packed until we get to the kind of the latter stages of the entire Game of Thrones. So here with this show, so much action with the dragons,
Yeah.
so many battle scenes, and every time one of them dies,
Oh,
and we all know they're all going to die. When
Yeah.
one of them dies, parang there's something in me that goes, oh, whether they're good, bad, ridden, not ridden, wild, or what is it? What do you
Yeah,
call
I
them?
know.
Domesticated, whatever.
Mahaba yung
Why?
baba ng isang dragon eh.
Yeah, every time one of them dies, a part of me gets crushed because I know there are not so many of them.
yeah.
Kaya nalilito na rin ako sa mga dragon, sa mga itsura. Ito nga isa, pangit yung isang dragon.
Hindi, may personality sila. Medyo makikilala mo sila ngayon as individual dragons.
Okay, tingnan ko
Yeah,
So,
from color,
Yeah, it's
characteristics,
a,
as you said. Right.
hindi
Go ahead,
lang
sorry.
sila dragons who kill, diba? Because that's kind of like where the power comes from. But it's just like now, they are like individuals.
They are individual colors, obviously individual sizes. Amon's Vagar, as we said yesterday, one of the biggest ones, if not, it is the biggest one of the current time, but one of the biggest of all time. Jace. Jace's dragon is one of the younger ones, Vermax, the green one. That was hard watch. Sheep Stealer, the one that was
Sheep Stealer, I think, is now my favorite.
Yeah, yung may masamang ugali. Obviously,
Wild yun.
Yung ba yung sinasakyan ni nung bata?
Oo.
Ayun, yun yung mahaba-baba.
Ano kasi siya wild.
Mahaba noon, promise. Kaya
yeah, they were showing the teeth in. If you need help, like me, I watch Emergency Awesome. The post watch.
May podcast din kasi sa HBO Max nasa may gilid niya podcast.
Correct. That is the trend.
Gagawin na natin yan.
All right. It is 6:52. Enough of the talk on House of the Dragon. We have a whole show for you guys. Welcome to the show. That is Alex, of course, Kay, myself, and you guys on discord.gg/goodtimesradio if you want to interact with us via chat room. If not, by all means, listen to us in the car on Magic 89.9, on your way to school, on your way to work, whatever it may be. We're here for a couple hours. Ask you to hang out till then. When we come back, we'll have a lot of conversation for this Tuesday morning. You're listening to Good Times here, Magic 89.9. Don't go away, back after this.
Good Times.
It's almost hour number 2, 7 o'clock on this Tuesday morning. It's Good Times. You are listening to, it's Alex and Kay, myself, and discord.gg/goodtimesradio if you want to join us on the chat room. So last night again, House of the Dragons, filled of teenagers with violence, and then in real life, we saw it also yesterday, and that was the dominating story throughout the country. School shooting, maybe first time in our history, if not a very, very rare occasion where a school shooting, which is similar to what you see very often here in the U.S. And it what was our death toll here? 3, 5, something like that, with multiple injuries and that were caught, right?
Yeah, I think when it involves students, ito yung nakita ko lang sa search. Because there was one in Ateneo during a graduation, but the gunman was not a student. So I think ito yung...
Right, and I remember when I was in La Salle, there was a shooting as well, and that was because, La Salle is a long Taft, and it was stemming from, I think, a bank robbery across the street.
I see.
Bullets hit classrooms and all of that stuff. But again, that's not the... Yeah, as right, you're saying this is not kind of the one that we see, which is typical to what the Americans have to kind of go through many, many times throughout the year. The reason why I bring that up is because, it is the one country that has this as a regular occurrence. For us, this is the first time for us, we think. And it's, the big reaction that I have as somebody who lives in the U.S. is, oh no, is this the start of a more common occurrence? Do we go to a point wherein shooting drills and stuff become common for students to practice, like a shake drill or kind of fire drills and all of these things? Because that's when you really kind of lose it as a citizen for me. And that probably comes from me either being a parent or just as somebody who lives here and has to see it in the news all the time. This is what separates, I think, a high quality of life from countries that don't have a high quality of life. And when your kids have to go through shooting drills. So anyway, not to take away from kind of the news, you guys have all seen it. You guys know all the stories. A 14-year-old and a 15-year-old student. I hear that it was because it was related to bullying, though we don't have really the official investigation just yet, and that might take some time. But yeah, they were minors. They haven't released their names, I think. And they're going by the aliases Rod and Nash. And now some people online were trying to see if this was inspired by a very popular shooting in the U.S. In Columbine. Because the T-shirt I think the kid was wearing is similar to one of the shooters from that time. So these are all kind of early speculative things, but I don't know, terrible time for us. So, yeah, go Alex. And then I got a question.
Bilang tatay muna ako, nalulungkot lang ako pagka matatakpan na naman to ng political no, ng sisiyan na. Ako bilang tatay muna, may ako na license. So, ang una kong reaction is, minsan kasi sa pag-iisip natin ng anak natin ay iba. Ang anak natin ay, kasi sa bahay, hindi mo na may nakikilala yung mga anak mo eh. So, sa akin, katulad niyan, ang gagawin ko, responsible muna ako. Itatabi ko yan. Naka-safe sa akin. Kasi ang tendency, kapabayaan muna sa bahay. Wala muna akong sisising iba ha. Nangyari na yan, ang gagawin ko, matututo ako. Ang na-realize ko parang, ang una kang tanong, paano yung access sa baril eh? Bilang kabataan. Saan nila nakuha eh? Hindi ko alam.
So these guns, one of them was registered to a police officer, and I think the other one was it a military person or something in Cebu? I'm not 100% sure, but I do know it belonged to a policewoman, and then somebody else in Cebu. I forgot who the other one got from. It was a soldier or something like that. But you're right, Lex. I mean, people who own guns should be able to keep them put away safely.
Oh.
But I would then ask you, what do you think happens to the parents? Like, as 14 and 15-year-old, should the parents have a little bit of responsibility when it comes to the actions of their children? Kasi nga, you're saying your line here was bilang tatay. Okay, so bilang tatay na may baril, Lex, should you be responsible if something like this happens with your gun?
Yes. Dapat ang owner part niya is kung sino may-ari nun, kasalanan niya yun. Ba't nakakuha yun? Dapat kasi maingat siya doon. Ayoko muna ngaluan ng national issue ha. Paano muna? Doon muna ako sa loob ng bahay. Iniisip ko, paano nakuha yung lalagyan na yun? Of course, may isang angulo naman yan. Yung mga kabataan na yun, na-explosion saan-saang informasyon para magano. Iba pang usapan yun. Yung baril muna. Kasi kung wala yun, hindi naman mangyayari ito. Siguro, kukuha sila ng ibang weapon pero hindi nila ma-execute na ganun kabilis, no? Ang pagpatay. So, iisipin ko muna, malamang nakakalat yun sa bahay. Di ba? Nakakalat yun sa bahay para makuha. At hindi naman nagpapaalam yun na, paya naman baril tita ha. Sige, kunin mo lang sa taas. Hindi naman ganun yun. So, tinira yun. So, ibig sabihin, may access sila doon na madali. Para sa akin, doon muna.
You know, Lex, I do have guns too, but you also know, and I say it here all the time, I am anti-gun. I really, really wish we can kind of just get rid of them so we don't have to have those accidental moments. I think teenagers, regardless of whatever the contraband is, alcohol, cigarettes, porn, weapons, drugs, they're going to get to it. You can lock them away and all that stuff. They're going to find a way. Now, there's responsible and there's irresponsible. Yes, kung nakalagay lang yung baril sa countertop or in a cabinet very easily, then yeah, that's complete negligence. But people are they want it. They're going to find a way. And it just I guess I don't know. I mean, Kay, I want to ask you what's just kind of your general take on this. Do you share the same fear that I fear that this is going to become a thing, or is it a little too early? I mean, we're one school shooting in. The United States has had 500 school shootings, give or take. 428 to be exact, per the Washington Post database here, since Columbine. That's just school. That's not mass shooting. That's just school shootings. Okay. What do you think? What were your early fears?
Akala ko kasi sa bilang Amerika mayaman na bansa, akala ko may protection tayo bilang mahirap na bansa sa access sa mga barel. Di ba parang pang mayaman eh. Pero nung pumasok ngayon to,
like first world problem.
Akala ko first world kasi yung baril is mahirap na nga tayo. Napakadali niyang, parang hindi pa tayo doon kasama. Pero ngayon, ang kinakatakutan ko mo is yung gawing trivial to. Yan ang magsisimula. Pag ito hindi ginawa ng aksyon, masusundan to. Hindi lang sa hindi lang sa aspetong barel, pati doon sa edukasyon ng mga bata, masusundan to. Kasi alam mo naman mga bata ngayon uy, cool. Pag ito ginawa pa nilang cool, yari tayo dito. Simula to.
Again, I don't know. I don't know what stops it though. I don't know if it's education, because over here there's a lot of it and we still have a lot of shootings. Yeah, Kay, sorry. What do you think?
No, just to jump off from what you were talking about. Usually kasi diba yun nga yung contraband sa bahay, so they will find a way, and I think that's what was seen when it came to suicides, and na parang they will somehow find a way, diba, to use it, and that's really unfortunate. So I don't know how gun owners could, really hide the guns. Kasi syempre kahit papano, alam din ng mga bata kung nasan yan, diba? For this one, I guess we don't know where the guns came from, if it's from a relative at all. We do fear the worst, I guess.
I think that's where it came from, though. I think that's what the police, announced. I did see a clip saying that the gun did come from it was registered to, and a policewoman in
no, but
I forget, it was in Tacloban, and then somebody else from Cebu. Those were the registered from them. Okay, so maybe that's different from what you're saying, right?
No, I don't know if it's registered under somebody in their home, but maybe that they want to protect the identities for now, diba?
Sure.
I don't know when we say education, if it's the same as values education, which is something that I've been speaking up about. Iba din kasi yun, and I'm not just saying GMRC. We're talking about maybe it's time to really focus on those things. Kasi we also have to respect that iba-iba din yung religion ng mga tao, so you can't just say it's religion class, diba? Maybe it's just values education in the school.
I hope that educating and workshops and drills makes a difference, but I'm losing faith in them. I'm losing faith. It
doesn't work over there.
That it doesn't work. It doesn't work here. It doesn't. When you tell students not to bully each other, this has been the message since we were students. That hasn't stopped.
The use of social media is also coming up as a big deal lately, because, diba? Parang,
I don't know. Again,
so depression ng mga kids. I don't know if that's a factor
with me
here.
My take on social media is I don't find it to be so related to these things, because these occurrences have been happening pre-social media. Columbine was in '99. That was, I would say that's well before social media, hit its stride. So I don't think so. I think it's easy to blame it on things that we are conveniently blaming it on because we don't want to research it too much. You jump on Reddit, you see how Pinoys are reacting to this because, again, it's our first shooting, and you'll hear comments or read comments like, sige, online gaming pa more, and I'm like, Jesus Christ, this has nothing to do with this. We've been playing those games forever. Oh, yeah, kaya social media na to. Shootings have been way before that. Honestly, if you ask me, and this is an opinion, the problem is the weapons themselves. Now, I know that this weapon, if we're registered to a police are always going to have weapons, but it's the weapon problem that creates this problem. We've been trained, we've been told, you and I, since we were children, don't bully, don't bully, don't bully. We still bully. So it's the weapons. Like Lex, we talk about it, we laugh about it. Antipolo or Cavite or the street fights, axes and swords. We're like, where is he getting these swords from? And how violent those altercations are on the streets. We've been laughing about it for weeks now. It's the ability to get weapons.
Oh. Ako. Yun nga, connected pala doon sa meron palang access sa baril. Coupled by mga batang, ito na naman yung pag in-interview mga magulang, mabait na bata po yung mga yan Hindi naman po talaga, siyempre, di ba, hindi nagpapakita ng ugali yung mga bata na gano'n Pero, kombinasyon lagi yan. Hindi naman yan, hindi naman yan, uy, may nakitang baril, tara, bang baril tayo, hindi. Kombinasyon yan na,
oh, for sure, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, for sure.
Pagka nakita-kita yung mga factors na yun kaya may krimen. So, maraming factors yan. Access to baril, nagkataon na yung mga to, talagang mga siraulo. Tapos, maraming factors yan na dapat i-check. Pero
Can I say this, Lex? Can I say this? Because here's a good Here's a good comment that I want to kind of throw it at you. It doesn't mean I agree with it. I'm just saying it's a good comment. So, Cavite Cutie. Oh, medyo. I think that this is a 99.8. I don't know where she got that number. This is a 99.8 parenting issue. The type of environment a child grows up in, the environment a child grows up in forms the foundation of the child's thinking. The world has always been nasty since the beginning of time, I agree, before social media and technology, yes. But we don't all turn into criminals. So I don't know what her 0.2% of not parenting, but can there just be bad kids? I mean, you can have 3 kids and 2 of them are amazing and one of them is quote unquote black sheep. You're sure to your heart you raise them all the same.
May ganun talaga.
You can really like almost even prove it.
May ganun talaga.
But may tao talaga salbahe lang talaga.
Oo, sa factory defect. Di ba?
Yeah.
May ganun. Tanggapin natin
I think so.
Oh,
That's why should parents then be responsible for some of the or all of the actions or criminal actions, let's say, of their children? No, Lex, I agree with you that if you just left a gun around and you're completely negligent, then sure. Hopefully an investigation will show that and then you can be, held liable to a % of what happened. But sometimes, man, they're just bad. They're just bad. They're just bad kids.
Ayun nga nagkakita-kita yung factor na yun. May negligence, may bad kids, may konting, sabihin natin, sige, pagbigyan natin yung online, may factor yon, may cool, may t-shirt, may napanood. Pag yan, nagkasama-sama sa isang batang, alam mo na, yari ka talaga. Hindi naman, kaya nga ang pinoproblema lang dito yung kaya may nakakasyak kasi bata, tapos ang biktima mga kabataan. Pero it's the same thing mo. Pag tumanda yan, magawin mong 28 years old yan, 35 years old yan, it's still bad. Di ba?
Okay, then on age, should they be tried as adults? Yes. 14, 15 years old.
Oo.
Hindi ba may batas dyan?
Meron dyan. Alam ko naman
of course, yeah.
Hindi, I mean, no, I just don't know. Like, I know because they just updated it, diba? Was it like Senator Kiko who spoke up about it recently? I can't remember.
So these kids should be tried for murder as if they were not 14, 15, but as if they were 24, 25, 34, 35, 44, 45.
Oh, tatanungin siguro natin Senator Bam dyan kasi pag bad publicity, dadalihin yung law na yun eh. Pero alam ko may certain, kasi hindi tayo maalam, ang alam lang natin, patay si Senator Kiko kasi sa juvenile law na to na masyadong mataas yung bata, pinapababa naman ni Senator Robin. I think yung current na batas ngayon, merong covered eh. Kaya lang di ako maalam sa batas na yan eh. What is Kiko's take? Sorry, I don't know what his take is. I know he posted something about the shooting, but what were you guys both saying? He wants the age of.
No, there was an update recently. I don't know what the changes were.
Okay. No, because
kailangan natin ng accurate na kasi depende yan sa source eh. Kulang yung batas. Ang sagot naman ng meron kasing may argument yan dati na sakto yung batas kaya lang pag sinisiraan mo gusto kasi ibaba eh. Pero alam ko covered naman tong kahit pag namaril meron pa rin covered eh. Kaya lang kailangan lang galing sa source ng maalam sa batas, hindi sa atin.
Let's read a couple more things here. We're a bunch of messages behind. Sorry guys, I haven't had the chance to kind of read about it. But Catherine says, bad kids, I would question the parenting also. Jetterman says, no, it's all on the environment. I think Jetterman saying no disagrees with us, that it's completely of the parents. And then he has a horrible take here. He puts even wild animals can be tamed. Clearly, Jetterman has no idea what the hell he's talking about regarding wild animals, though they can't be. They'll absolutely rip your head off if, put a stake around your neck, you dumbass. Watch a lion take your head off. Princess says only law students would pretty much know this, but it doesn't get media attention. like a shooting, but 14, 15-year-old sexual assault, for example, is very common here in the Philippines. Yeah, I mean, not part of this. What else here?
Ako may environment may kombinasyon din yan. Totoo yan. Pero ito yung tatlong machicheckan mo. Masamang bata, masamang magulang, masamang environment. Tatlong check yan. Pag nag-combine yan, yari ka. Ang kinakatakot mo bilang parent din is the other side, no? Halimbawa, yung mga anak ko naman ang mabiktima. Kaya nakakatakot nga kasi anak ko 18 years old, nag-aaral sa college. Di ba? Yung anak ko isa naman, nagtatrabaho na. So yung college ko, pinoproblema ko, biro mo, siya naman ang biktima. Nakaka-frustrate yun eh. Di ba? Yung pinoproblema mo ngayon sa mundo.
It's easy though. It's so easy to kind of give an example to contradict a general assumption. For example, I don't disagree when people say bad parenting equals bad kids. Yes, I do strongly feel that there is a huge influence on crappy parenting. But then we can all sit here and go, well, there's a lot of pastors, for example, that have crap children, and you can assume, at least if they are
Grabe naman yung crap children. Maybe parang supposed
Come on now, you know what I'm talking about though. There are a lot
ko kilala, but
bad kids from...
But I do hear that there is like the pressure is so high that it creates a problem. I don't know naman if crap yung...
Is it pressure?
Oo, parang yun yung naririnig ko. Wala akong kilala naman na crap children.
Well, what is crap children, though? I mean, obviously, I use it very loosely, but I mean, I can't even define that if you told me. But I'm saying problematic. I mean, hindi mo talaga lamp of tae right there. Okay, I mean, there's what I mean is they are not. If the foundation is supposedly strong, and they're true to their teaching and they're true to their faith and all of that stuff. If the formula that everybody here seems to be putting there, oh, well, if you just do it right, the kids are not going to turn out to be terrible.
Wala akong kilala kasi yung pinanood ko kasi Seventh Heaven every Holy Week.
But these are TV shows, Kay.
I know.
I mean, you're referencing TV shows all the time, but these are not real life.
Sa bata pa kasi yung kilala kong mga kids ng pastor na classmate ko. So, they look like great kids. So I don't know these.
Yeah. Again, you can point an exception to all of these generalizations.
Wala
I
kasi
can, you
akong
can.
kilalang pastor's kids, kaya wala akong ma-cite.
Yeah.
Meron akong kailala.
Go. No.
Mga siraulo talaga.
Oh yeah, I know.
Talaga?
I know. Oh, I know a handful. I know a baker's dozen of children of religious leaders or
good parenting yan.
Oh, lakas
from what we know.
In theory, yeah.
Yeah, in theory.
They're
Of what
people
we can
with
expect.
values.
Absolutely.
The community seems to want them to do well.
They trust them.
Yeah.
I trust them as pastors. Like to being good people. Kids are rough, man.
Ito
Kids are rough.
Ito may babasahin lang ako na baka may sabihin nyo, kinukumpara nyo. Sabi ni EVM, per PNP, shooters were bullied for 2 years. That's a big factor, I think. I was bullied for 6 years, by the way. Di ba, lagi talaga tayo may classmate na matindi. Tapos sa environment, sa tingin ko, yung bully na yan medyo mahina ang depensa niyan sa pagkakataon na to na pumatay ka ng 3 tao. Ano nangyari? Kasi po binubully. Alam ko magkakaroon ka ng mayroong magandang dahilan ang bullying. Pero nawawala yung dahilan na yon basta gumawa ka na ng masama. Parang ganun.
Again, though, Lex, I think, and everybody on the chat room, I agree with this part of the discussion that it's a little bit of everything. And your era, our era of being bullied, we didn't resort to gun violence because we didn't have access to it the way I think they do now. And we didn't have an idea of doing that because it's not in our consciousness. We're not seeing it on the news, not seeing it on social media, but because we see it more often now, it now becomes an option maybe.
Oo.
for some of these kids who are pushed against the wall. So I don't want to disregard bullying entirely just because we went through it and then we didn't think about picking up a gun, but we thought about picking up other weapons. I mean, kids are not bringing ninja stars to school now, but when we were young, yeah. I mean, we talked about this also, Lex. When we were younger,
Ninja star.
we're creating grenades. A pillbox is a grenade. It's just a poor person's grenade. We're armed with this stuff when we're walking in certain areas because we're worried about getting bullied. It's a grenade. Now, we don't do that anymore because that was doing our time. But when you get pushed, I think, against the wall too much, too harshly, people are going to snap and we don't know what that snap looks like.
Pero dalawa to, di ba? Dalawang shooter.
Yeah.
Oo. Eh, nang nagpapawala doon ng ano eh. Nagpapawala doon ng factor na ano.
Nang?
Ibig sabihin, pag dalawa kayo, medyo may usapan yan eh. Ako, pag solo, medyo, ay, naku, ano kayang dahilan
Like
niya?
you were alone.
Kasi ang kung ipaano ko lang pag dalawa kayo, paano usapan ng dalawang yun at nagsimula at pareho sila nag-usap at pareho silang gusto. May isa bang nag-convince? May isang follower? Maganon eh.
Yeah, look, with the two of them, investigations still happening, and maybe we'll never know really what's going on in their head. I think it's really not so much about these two boys, but what does the future look like for us as a country? How safe do you feel with your kids in school? This is a thing. I mean, this is not an isolated, they just came up with this idea. This is a thing, and we're seeing it more and more in other countries as well. Right before I went to Turkey recently, there was a school shooting a week before I went there. It was the first time I heard about that, and they had quite the fatalities. And then again, in the U.S., it's such a problem here. Let's say hi to your tito, Kay, who's tuned in. It's all over the news, you and Robin. I want to say good morning to Robin. Robin, he's right here on the chat room. He said, sorry, pero yung new generation ngayon, sobrang lambot nila. Very sensitive. At mahina ang loob.
That's
Very
not
weak.
him when the group.
These are his words. Unlike
But that's
dati
not- he's
na
not-
kaya natin dalhin ang sarili natin, SOCMED, malaking factor. Dito mo, dito. Catfish tayo. Kapitan Tutan is his name on the thing.
You don't have to say the username out loud if it's meant to put you in a strange position.
I mean, the name screams your Tito, and then the text, those are his words. So it's just, what's up, brother? Nice to have you back on the show.
Has he commented? Wait, let's see.
Yeah, what I just read. That's just word for word. I just went ahead and read it. Yeah, sorry, yung new generation ngayon.
No, but that's not about this. This is not about this particular situation.
Yeah.
Iba naman.
Yeah, I hate that take. I hate when people say that. It really does. I mean, it just shows me the lack of intelligence that people who make those comments have. But again, this is the first time it's happened. As Mo, when I was reading some of the comments that you can tell people don't know how to react, you're going to get that level of stupidity with that, what that guy just said. And it's everywhere on social media comments, on Reddit threads, on news posts. You will see us as a population is new to this say the dumbest things. And that one would be a very good example of that. Sorry, Lex, you were saying.
Hindi, ayun nga. Hindi na ako agree doon. Hindi to comparison ng noon at ngayon. Katulad ng sinabi ko nga na may bully. Okay yan. O, totoo naman talaga nangyayari. Nangyayari yan noon. Pero mahirap din i-justify ngayon yan dahil nga sa ginawang krimen. Parang ganon. Yung parang you cannot justify. Hindi ko na matapos yung buong quotes na yun eh. The end does not justify the mean. Parang ganon. So, parang mahinang defense yun. Yun ang isang sinasabi ko. I think it's a combination talaga mo. It's a combination ng lahat-lahat na to. Nagkita-kita kaya na-execute to. At kung matatanggal lang yung dalawa doon, hindi mangyayari to. Ayun ang sinasabi ko. Yan.
Yeah. Okay, well, you're right though that I am really intrigued about what Bam's going to say about this because not that this falls in his area of responsibility, but as the chair for education, he will definitely have both a chance to make maybe some changes. Also, he'll have definitely an opinion on what occurred. So we'll see tomorrow. Yeah, or Thursday, whenever he's coming in. But he has. We did message him a little bit about it. Yeah.
Kasi ang mangyayari dyan, magiging political ano yan. Nakakakita na nga ako sa social media na it's political eh. Let's just treat muna natin na crime. Di ba? Yun crime to, and then let's trace para ma-avoid to. And then, let's apply it sa buong bansa as law. Yan ang naman muna mga action natin eh. Other than that, yung parenting, individual action yan. Yung social media, individual action yan. Yung bullying, sa school yan. Dapat yan ganun eh. Ganyan na ng mga ripple effect niyan. Hindi yung generic na, dahil yan kay Duterte, dahil yan sa batas ni Kiko. Asus Mario Josep, tantanan muna natin yan.
Yeah, no, I even saw I even saw Anne getting a little bit of heat online because somebody dug up an old comment that she made regarding minors being tried as adults when they commit crimes, and she doesn't want a younger aged person to be tried as an adult, regardless of the crime, because they're too young, they're minors. I
guess that's where the debate is at, no?
Right. I think that's where the debate is at. You're right. Or another serious debate is at. And I don't know. I'm torn, honestly, because if it's loss of life, man, it's so tough. It's so tough to not want them tried as adults.
If I were the parents, crime, kasi
it's a heinous crime. Absolutely. If I was a parent, if I were a parent of those victims, I want maximum, right? But then when I think about myself at 14 and 15, and Lex or Kay, if you think of yourself at 14 and 15 and how stupid we were and how completely just full of energy but full of bad ideas. If we take what happened to Jace last night again at a House of the Dragon, and you saw this, and I hate to make parallels to this, but just because this is the show and this is how we kind of explain things, there's this huge battle, and we have teenagers on top of dragons, and they're in the middle of a battle where people are dying. It doesn't work out well. And they make bad decisions. Kids with weapons make bad decisions in real life and last night. The gun was the dragon, and we had 3 teenagers in the sky, and it was horrific what happened. So that's why I can't like, if those were 25-year-old writers, if they were 30-year-old writers, I'm like, okay, they're just, but teenagers with weapons, always a bad outcome. And a lot of that is immaturity. A lot of that is not knowing really the difference between
the power of the weapon. Kasi talaga.
Yeah.
It takes over an individual, especially if you're a child. Ano ba naman yung lakas mo pa at that age?
But again, if I were a parent who lost their child in this scenario, I want the maximum. Yes. If not, I'll do it myself.
Ang problema kasi mo sa batas, it only applies to sa mga walang kakayahan, kaya tayo walang tiwala sa justice system. Actually, maganda yung batas. Yung pag-apply nito ang nagkakaproblema. Halimbawa, sabihin na natin, ginawa natin ng paraan yung lolo na yan na, sige, ibaba natin 13 years old. Tapos may anak mayamang nakagawa ng yan. I-apply ba yung pareho niyan? Hindi. Matinding lawyer niyan. Justice system, ang natin, ayusin natin. Dapat pantay-pantay natin yan. Pagka pantay-pantay na yan, wala nang problema sa batas. Kasi may batas namang nakalagay dyan eh. Kaya lang ang problema, kaya tayo nagkaaganyan. Kasi iba treatment sa mahirap at mayaman. Yan lang yun. Ayan lang yun. Bino mo, pagka 10 years old na maril sa mahirap, yari yan. Pag 10 years old na maril mayaman, tingnan natin kung ma-apply niyan. Yun eh. Yun lang naman yun ang nagkakaproblema tayo sa justice system. Application of justice, dapat pantay-pantay sa all.
Okay. I mean, in a perfect world, yes.
In a perfect world.
But let's say we are able to perfect that somehow. Is a 14-year-old or a 15-year-old who does something like this, should they be responsible just like if it were a 30-year-old? When you remind yourself of the stupidity of 14 and 15 and the terrible decisions that 14 and 15-year-olds always make. That's a pretty serious conversation to have. And I don't know where I'm at. To be honest, I really don't know where I'm at.
Depende kung
I'll
nasaan
say it for
kang-
the third time. From the perspective of a victim, I don't care how old you are.
Oo. Ayun nga, depende kung nasaan kang posisyon. Pag ikaw ang biktima, pakialam ko ilang taon ka. Pag yung sa side mo naman yung nabiktima, naku po, mabait naman po yung bata. At di ko nga po alam kung ano nangyari dyan eh.
Well, not even that. Like, I don't know these kids. I don't know this 14-year-old, 15. I don't care for them. Like honestly, I don't. I care for them as just Filipinos. I don't care for them because I don't know them in a more personal way. But a part of me cares that a 14-year-old or 15-year-old made a bad decision and they will lose their life for it. A part of me does care about that. But again, if I knew the victim, or if I were the victim, or if I was related to the victim, man,
Alam mo masakit dito mo. Nawala na isang excuse natin na ano. Kasi dati naiinid ko eh. Kahit ganito yung bansa natin, wala namang namamaril ng mga bata sa sa eskwelahan. Napasok na tayo ng ganung problema. Parang feeling ko kasi ang Pilipinas, akala ko hindi tayo magkakaganon pa eh. Yun lang.
Hey, any last words? We gotta take a break.
No, I was trying to catch up because I really know nothing about the law. yung parang there is that item pala na it's if the person or the individual can discern na mali ang krimen na ginagawa, doon siya mananagot. But that is so, how do you prove
how do you do that? Yeah,
Right.
you ask them, like, do you know what you're doing? No. Okay, so he doesn't know, guys. And then what?
Nice.
You put it
I
in the
guess
hands
that's
of
why they
psychiatrists?
wanna revise it. So I guess that's the debate right now, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Okay, we got to take a break. When we come back, let's get back to who we kind of really are in an attempt to entertain you guys for the other half of the show. It is Good Times on Magic 89.9. Don't go way back after this.
Good times.
It is 7:40 on this Tuesday morning. Good times here on Magic 89.9. Listening to us, hanging out with you guys. You are also invited to join us on Discord. It's discord.gg/Good Times Radio. Also, you're invited to check out all the other things that we do, podcasts, live shows. Oops, sorry, wrong one. That's a good one right there. And start with you. So, talk about podcast. What do you got for us, Carl?
Yes, we have a new episode of Case Drama today. Sunny season. It was shot in Baguio when I was there in Feb. So we did a bunch of episodes over there. I'm just really excited also to show you the one with the kids with clubfoot. But there's something wrong with the audio. But yeah, we'll try to fix that.
You mean
one.
of the episode or right now?
Yeah, for the episode,
okay.
the one. But yeah, I really do want to share that one because clubfoot is treatable. But today we are coming out with an episode with the mayor of Baguio City, Mayor Magalong. So he's like a certified Baguio
Isn't
boy.
Bam and him are quite close, right?
I'm not sure. I didn't get to ask.
Did Bam
that
always say he was good with the Baguio mayor? Diba, Lex?
Parang
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, I
anyway,
guess
never mind.
we can ask
Continue.
him. But yeah, that episode comes out today. We just basically talk about good governance as a concept and just being a Baguio boy in general. I'm really glad that Baguio is thriving, especially with Cozy Cove. Nakikilala siya talaga as an artist hub. And di ba marami ring iba dyan na places that you could go to, like the Bandcap Museum. I guess, being in the mountains is really great for your artist soul. So yeah, I love Baguio. If you have like questions about, is it time to go to Baguio in your head? This is your sign. Take a vacation. Yeah, go. And malapit na, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. We open July 8th. Factory opens July 8th. Get your golden tickets right now. There's a family bundle. You can buy 2 and get 2 at 50% off. And there is an episode of me in Singapore rehearsing at the Sands Theater in Marina Bay Sands, of all places. Parang wow, it was like a dream being there. I don't know if it's a dream come true yet because I'm just rehearsing. So I guess I'm preparing for my dream of performing there. But yeah, what a great opportunity to do that. So yeah, get your tickets or follow at gmg.productions on Instagram just to see all the promos that are happening right now. Thank you.
Love it.
And wait,
Whoa.
before that, check out Rockstar KTV and Rockstar Premiere kasi June 23 na and we still have that ongoing 50% off promo. Thank you.
And it's the blood pressure promo, remember, where whatever your blood pressure is, remove it from the price.
That's the next one. But for June 50 off, Monday to Thursday.
Tama. Okay. Lex, what do you got, brother?
Yun pa rin. Wednesday sa Sasonado, if you want to practice stand-up, kita-kita tayo dyan. And sa June 25, Thursday, the Comedy Crew live at 19 East. Kasama ko ang the Comedy Crew, of course. Kita-kits at Friday, andyan tayo sa Mega World Cinema sa Eastwood Libis. Sa Eastwood Cinema at 7 p.m. Of course, with the Comedy Crew pa rin. And then Saturday, Turning Tides Marikina. June 27 yan. So, all with the Comedy Crew. At suit ko ngayon yung t-shirt ng Good Times Australia. Yan.
Ooh, nice.
So, August 29, Melbourne and August 30, Sydney. Available na po ang tickets. Just check yung link tree ko dyan sa may IG. And also, may mga posts ako dyan. So, please, kita-kits tayo dyan. And sa Happy for All sa Singapore, Saturday, September 19, 7:30 p.m. po. Eventbrite po ang tickets. Bili na kayo abang maaga pa. And Happy for All, the birthday show. October 2, Music Museum. October 3, Insular Life, Alabang. October 7, Newport World Resorts. October 9 and 10, Maybank Performing Arts Theater. Ticketworld.com.ph. Tapos alexcrea.com at ang thecomedycrew.com for more details. At yes, sama nyo na rin yung December 12, Cagayan de Oro. Comedy Crew live in Cagayan de Oro. Takits tayo dyan. At nandiyan kami sa Baguio. Speaking of Baguio.
December.
Get those tickets now.
Okay, available na. Alam mo naman, maaga ako magbenta eh. Tapos speaking of Baguio, dyan ako sa September 11 and 12. Andyan kami sa Baguio. Kita-kits tayo dyan sa Lemonade and sa Coach's Corner. And I think nagkita kami ng owner ng Cozy Cove. Kasama nila yung Cup of Joe sa aeroplano ng papunta pa uwing Japan. So, sana magkaroon tayo din ng show dyan. Kita-kits dyan ha. Punchline with Alex Calian, Strel Benobra, and GDWM the podcast. That's it.
Thank you, Lex. Lex, on your shows, maybe the ones abroad or maybe the ones more locally, who knows, how many, do you see a lot of people in Filipinas bring their foreigner boyfriend or foreigner husband and all of that, they get the whole afam barkada thing going on. That happens a lot?
Yes. Pag sa ibang bansa, yan meron. Dito sa Pilipinas, may mga isa, dalawa, na nagdadala ng mga, di ko alam kung bakit. Yun. Ay, singit ko alam pala, ang Sharp Philippines, ang ginagawa ko, pag birth month mo, nanood ka, may chance ka to get an appliances from Sharp Philippines. Yan. Meron mo, nagdala sa Japan. Kasi nga, malapit kami sa US Navy.
Yep.
Doon, dinala yung jowa. Mga 3 sila doon.
Do you think if they've got like their own group, because there's so many of them, do you think they've got like a support group? Like almost like a afam husbands of
I think ko meron.
In the country, right? Like they have to have some kind of. Ang dami nila eh.
Oo. Kahapon may video na naman ako napanood na sumalubong na naman sa airport.
Is this the
yung babae na binitawan yung placard?
Oh, you
ang gwapo. Ang gwapo naman talaga. Kasi sa totoo lang bukod sa kung ano man yung purpose nyo, financially or whatever, pero ang gwapo ng mga nadadali, men.
Yeah, those are the rare ones where...
Mga 6-footer, talagang pag-yakap ng babae, kalahati siya eh.
He looked like Khal Drogo. Muscular. Kay, did you see this video? It rather went viral. Yeah, I mean, it's a thing. And maybe that's a good thing. maybe we're seeing a younger generation of foreigners now, and not just the classic
Oo.
old fat guy.
Hindi. Panalo
Right?
yung mga
Yeah, we're
kababayan
seeing
natin.
it. No, look, a couple of years ago, I felt bad where we are. We're seeing our guys really hitting the jackpot now. And then we're seeing the girls kind of leveling up too, where the guys aren't just their traditional old face
Oo.
type of
Gwapo eh.
dudes.
Alam mo kaagad na yung future ng mga anak nila, di ba?
Yeah.
Pagkapit
And,
ng babae.
you know, and also I think maybe it feels a little bit more genuine of a relationship, right?
Oo, gusto siya ng lalaki. Bumitaw din sa
Yeah.
bag eh.
It's not the I just gotta go to Asia and try to get me one of those, you know,
Oo.
one of those types to take care of me. It feels a little bit more genuine, like you know, because they're younger.
Kumukha ni Steve Adams, ang gwapo eh.
Dude, I saw that one. He was thinking, and the muscles on him and everything.
Muscles, saka kumalahati yung babae natin.
But that girl was really famous. I mean, she has like 300,000 followers or something. It wasn't as if, I mean, she was
and
kind of
they've-
famous in her own right, wasn't she?
Yeah, and they've been like, it's not like their first meeting or anything like that, as your other videos suggest with the
Yeah,
Song of
yeah.
Jed. Kasi usually yung kay Jed,
May song din si Jed.
Oh, they
May
used
song
Jed
pa
on
rin.
this video.
Okay, may song pa rin kapon.
yeah, I saw it.
But maybe she was being sarcastic about it, though.
Maybe,
right? Because
maybe it was just poking
Ay, oo
fun
nga,
na.
pwede, no? Pwede. May tsura
Na
rin kasi
parang-
girl eh.
Uh,
na parang first time nila, parang ganon and all that stuff. It wasn't the thing. I saw this video yesterday with, and it was kind of one of those pranky things you do to your AFAM boyfriend. Alvin, can we throw this one up? I thought this was rather funny. Okay, so, I mean, obviously the caption says what is going to happen. They're going to hug each other's boyfriend. So they're going to switch. The boyfriends don't know, and that's the joke.
Delikado
That's the
yan.
joke, right? The problem is these guys look like the old stereotypical ones. I mean, they look like they were down, man. Let's go ahead and press play here. This is more the stereotype that we have to go. So,
Eto na
the count of
tayo.
three, they're gonna move to different boyfriends. Psych naman tong gag na to. Oh yeah. Look at this guy on the right. He's the one I worry about the most. He's
Oh,
he stares at all of them. He's
Oh.
staring at all of them the same. The guy on the right with the hat.
Exit. It's like I'm
The
gonna.
guy on
get
the right
in
is like Eddie hell yeah.
Like,
trouble.
I do not trust him with my girlfriend. That's how I would see it with the others.
mahirap yun, yung mag-ano kayo, magta-trial kayo. Mamaya may mag-connect dun eh.
No. Yeah. No, that's a dangerous game to play.
Oo. Mahirap yun.
But I wonder if they're part of some kind of support group together or whatever. You guys have breakfast? Do you guys have breakfast?
Yan ang problema mo,
No,
mga kwento
I
ko lang ha. Yung topic natin kahapon ng sumira ng diet ko eh.
Ooh,
Oh, yeah.
Which
Oh.
did you partake in?
Pinagkukwentuhan natin yung mga first time na sarap ka. Di nagpunta ako ngayon dun sa, napalabas tuloy ako sa bahay, tapos trinay ko yung ramen dun sa Rufino, yung sagin soba, tapos napapunta tuloy ako sa Ipudo. Kung ano naman kinain ko, para lang
Daming
mawala.
ramen. Ramen
Oo.
tour. Wow.
Tapos kumain ako ng kung ano-ano dahil dun sa isip. Tapos pagdating nung gabi, kumain nga ako ng nagre-ready na nga ako dyan sa game of, House of the Dragons na yan. Napa-order tuloy ako dun ng 11 p.m. Maling-mali yun mo eh.
Ang dami mong carbs kahapon.
Oo, okay.
Pasta buffet.
Dahil sa sobrang pag-uusap natin ng pagkain, sabi ko, mali.
I have a hard time with the pork broth. But I do love a dandan, like a tantanmen situation. Yung parang
pag-trip ko lang.
maanghang. Yeah.
She says next topic is best fast food. We've done that so many times. We've talked about food a lot. We don't talk about it a lot when Sam's not here. I apologize, Lex, about yesterday's extended conversation regarding food that may have ruined your blood sugar level. I'm surprised you didn't do the lava cake to wash it all down.
Sakto pala may shirt feed me.
Okay, let's talk about bad food. How about we do that? Instead of talking about good food, maybe then it'll lessen the amount of intake. Yeah.
Oh.
What's the worst sandwich? Worst sandwich?
Yung oily. Like, why
Ayaw,
would you
magdi-disguise.
want
Sarap ng
bread
oily.
with oily? Hindi.
Kasi nga, it softens it up. It adds a little bit.
Masarap yun sa kanin, pero sa tinapay, parang, bakit? Because I am a fan of toasty bread, yung crunchy. Yung sasakit nga lang alam mo sa pagka-crunchy.
Eto Dati hindi
Worst
ako
sandwich.
fan.
Worst
Hindi ako-
sandwich. Okay,
Ay,
Lex.
worst.
Worst sandwich. No,
Hindi,
go
basta-
ahead. Go say. Because
ako
there's a
magsabi.
build-up already. There's a
Hindi
build-up
kasi
already.
hindi ko dati maintindihan yung sandwich, chicken sandwich na hindi yung chicken sandwich na prito na. Yung
Oo. Yung parang
Prito.
may tinapay pa.
tapos nilagyan mo ng tinapay, hindi ko magets yun. Kasi naniniwala ako na ang prinitong chicken, kinakain dapat yan. Huwag mo lagyan ng mga tinapay. Ang gusto kong chicken sandwich, yung may mayo, may naka-shredded, yan, intindi ko
Yeah,
yun.
yeah, yeah.
Pero yung, hindi ko magets yung may nakasalagpak na chicken, parang hinarangan mo ng tinapay yung chicken. Yun, hindi ko magets yun.
Yeah.
Dati.
Okay, what do you say dati? Now you're a fan?
Hindi, kumain na ako ng mga zinger na yan. Intindihan ko na ng konti eh. Kasi sa Amerika, yun pala, ganun pala kadalasan eh. Kasi
No, but
dito-
the zinger with the wrap? Like the burrito wrap
Hindi, yung
with the chicken?
May
That's
sandwich.
yeah. What's the one with the
zinger.
wrap though? That one's gorgeous.
Ay.
Ooh.
I think there's a zinger wrap. Parang siyang burrito na may chicken na prito. Oh my god, so good. All right, we're talking about bad sandwiches though here to help ruin your diet. Let's let's read from Lishi. Lishi says corn dog. Corn dog's a bad sandwich. If it's
If you're
bready,
not a
it's pretty
wafer,
terrible.
Wafer.
Yeah. Oh no, yung waffle dog. Mas okay ako sa waffle dog kaysa sa, di ba may waffle dog? I'm okay with
Isn't
that.
the corn dog kind of like that? No.
Hindi, mas...
The corn dog is the thicker batter.
Okay na ako dyan mo sa waffle. Okay ako dyan. Ang sarap
Oo.
yan. Ang sarap
Yeah,
yan.
I could hang with that. Depends on what the inside is. Like if they've got
Parang
one of those like
pancake yun eh.
horizontal, yeah, it's like a pancake. But if they got one of the
Ah.
horizontal cheese, if it's a low quality cheese, it's not so good.
Ah.
But the waffle may be a little bit better than the corn dog. You're right. Though the Koreans have a big corn dog culture. Let's see. The double down, the KFC. Yeah, that's just too big.
Ay, nako, yung dalawang... Hindi, ano ba yung pinauso nila ng dalawang chicken?
Oh, the
Ang
chicken is the
ginawang
bread.
tinapay.
Oh, they use the
Oo.
chicken as the bread.
Ah.
Yeah, you're some fat mother F if you do that.
Gulay, yung gulay na sandwich, ayoko niyan. Yung mga-
Yung mga carb, ano to, no carb.
Oh, yung,
Pangit
yung
nun.
mga tinapay, tapos pipino.
Yeah.
Bakit?
I guess if it's
no
seasonal
carb.
vegetables, it will be sweet. Because I had a seasonal vegetable. Well, it was a rice plate though in Maker and Made yesterday, and matamis siya. And then they mixed it with like sweet onion. Sabi ko, okay to rin. Pwede yun sa sandwich.
Tamo, hindi nila panindigan.
Or croissant. Pero masarap. We're talking about masarap. Bad one.
No, well, croissant is a sandwich too. I mean, if you do that, yeah. I mean, if you put
Yeah,
like
yung
a ham and
veggies
cheese in
mas
there.
pasok sa croissant. Kasi hindi na healthy yung bread eh.
Why would I do? Why would I eat all that unhealthy and then yung laman lang is veggies? Forget it.
Di ba?
Gentonic says Jolly hot dog sandwich is terrible.
That's my favorite.
Medyo mag-aaway tayo dyan.
That's my childhood favorite.
Ito, kaaway ko to. Nyokitoki says a French toast. Hold on, let me block him real quick.
Wow, intense.
Block.
Hindi ka na
Oh, well, they don't have block.
inaano.
They have ban. Okay, ban na lang. Ban.
Ban,
French toast. That's the
ban
best.
me?
For sharing your opinion.
What a dick.
Kanina mas mahaba yung pasensya namin dun sa issue ng news eh. Pero sandwich, no. 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 No.
No patience.
Crazy.
No mercy. J Beltran says a tuna sandwich is the worst. I agree, man. Tuna sandwich is so disgusting. It's so bad.
Although, parang tuna sandwich, yeah, just eat it with leaves, like a lettuce. That's better. Might as well go all out. Or, eto pa, lately when
Tuna
I eat
melt.
the tuna sandwich, linalesen ko na yung mayo.
Tuna melt. Yan, sumarap na yung
Yes.
tuna.
Oh,
Pwede ako dyan.
That's not
Wait,
real
my worst-
cheese even.
Okay, yeah, here's my worst. Ito yung worst sandwich. Yung talagang the sandwich of the devil. I mean, I remember when they would give this out at
Sandwich of the
school and I sit there and I'm like, I'll rather starve. And we eat this a lot. Yung pimiento. Yung
cheese pimiento?
beans. Yan.
Depende.
Yan yung PI na yan. The cheese with the red little peppers. Oh,
Siniserve sa lamayan mo.
That is
because
disgusting.
maybe the one you're saying is from a bottle. And this one looks like it's made.
Medyo
like,
shred.
Ito parang
Depende,
homemade
depende.
yan.
No, dude, this thing is oh
Masarap
my
sa sesto
God,
yan
it's-
mo.
Ang pangit na to.
Di ba
Masarap
muna-
yan pag medyo toasted yung
No,
bread,
my-
I think.
No,
Oh.
it's
But by the time you recess hits, it's just already like not its best form.
Umattend ka
when
ng
you give
ano.
this out, when you give okay, for example, yung cheese Swiss na sandwich, di ba? Usually that's what you'll see. Oh, ito, sandwich. Oh, okay, thank you, salamat. And you open it and it's cheese Swiss. Okay, fine. It's a 3 out of 10, but fine. I'll do it. The moment I see may red, anak ko, pimiento to, tapon. It's the worst.
Huwag kang aatin ng ano, ng pangalawang araw ng lamay. Yan ang handa.
Bihon and this. Bihon first day, this one second day. Hindi na ako pumunta. Don't invite me.
No one is invited to a lamay. That's not
Whatever.
how death works.
Don't text me saying, can you come over? No. Siguro he died because of the sandwich.
Sa last day ka pupunta mo, doon ang bonggang handaan. Kasi last day yun eh. Yun, buffet na yun. Pero pag maunang araw ng lamay, alam ko rin yan ha. Anong araw? Ano, first day ba? Sige. Last day ang bongga.
Kuya
Yan ang
Alex,
technique, ah.
you're gonna love the kwento of the lamay I went to because on
Alvin,
the night...
let's not keep it here. Oh,
Sorry,
you're
wait.
staring
Let
at
me
it. No,
just
sorry, okay, go
finish.
ahead. Yeah, go, okay.
So, Kuya Alex, on the day that I went to the lamay, guess who the caterer was?
Sino?
Hindi siya caterer. It was Chef Jessie.
Ay, sarap doon yan. Tamo, last day. Pag last day mo, pimiento ka pag mga first sa second day.
Dude, she's talking about a celebrity chef probably. This is rich people lamay Lex. This is
Oh,
not the
malamang.
one you're talking about.
Eh, favorite
Wala nang
kasi ni
pimiento and
Kuya
bihon.
Alex yun.
Ano
kasi-
yung-
I know,
ano yung
but
kabaong
they're not
naka-float?
serving. They're not
Naka-float.
serving that.
Ano yung kabaong? May LED,
No.
naka-LED, tapos ano?
Wala,
Yeah,
it was simple. It was
This is
very
a rich
simple.
people thing. They don't have these sandwiches there on day 2, day 3, Lex.
Oh,
It was crazy though. So, wow.
Thing is
Jessie is
disgusting.
here.
ano mga mali nila doon? Mga pistachio, walnut. Di ba sa lamay sa
Pistachio
mahirap,
cream.
corned
Yeah,
Oh.
it's pistachio cream spread on the sandwich with a prosciutto or whatever the hell that is.
beef. Ang social na mga, naka ano. Ang problema ko doon, di ba may joke?
Uy,
Malinis.
yung kulangot mo, ba't ka nangulangot?
Hindi, ano lang yan, makati lang yan. Hindi, ang mahirap kay Chef Jessie, paano sa maniningil noon, lama yun.
Hindi, ano niya, best friend's husband.
Okay, so I've got a
Ah.
question, Kay, about your little rich,
Sorry.
rich people thing.
Ano ka ba sa kulawot kong galon?
No,
Eh, pagkain yung pinag-uusapan natin, gaganyan. No. So when it comes to these rich people, lamais, because they're extended, is there a cheaper day? Like, what's the cheap food day for the rich people?
I don't know. I think
You get what I'm saying?
usually
You get what-
sponsor
you get the-
kasi yun eh. Sponsored, diba?
Jesus
yung...
Christ, sponsored. My God.
I mean,
That's-
like the friends will mag-aambagan yung mga kaibigan and then that's where the funding comes.
Nag-ambagan na-afford si Chef Jessie. Kami mag-ambagan kami.
Hindi kasi
Jollibee.
friend,
Ambagan tayo. Ano magkano
best
pera?
friend kasi
Jollibee.
nila. Hi, Chef Jessie.
Sakamoto-san said, for the rich people, cheap food is the Delimundo or Spam, original Spam. That's rich people third day of the Lama. Just trying to don't have to go all out.
Spam sandwich. You can never grow wrong.
But
You
when the
never
oil
grow
is
wrong. It's so disgusting, Lex.
when the oil is in the bread, is really my enemy. Like, ilalagay mo muna siya sa tissue, di ba? Tapos ngayon, yung spam mo, may tissue.
Eto, war sandwich mo. Buti nga ikaw may pimiento. Ako pag mayo lang.
Oh, yeah.
How poor are you when it's just mayo, Lex?
Oh, parang may nakalimutan. May nakalimutan ba kayo? May... ano ba to?
Just
Ito
dip it in
yung-
coffee. Just give me a
Or
give me the bread. I'll dip
mayo.
it in coffee. Hindi na kailangan ng mayo.
Mayo and 1 lettuce.
Parang nag-aanap kami. Nakalimutan mo.
Saan yung ham?
Oh, that's so nasty.
Sagutin na nga natin sa Spookies MML. Clubhouse, hindi ka pwedeng sa ang Clubhouse kasi 3 layer yun. Pwede mo naman tanggalin yung ayaw mo. Ang Clubhouse,
Ah.
matindi yun ha. May ano yun eh. May chicken
May bacon
sandwich.
yun. May bacon,
Bacon,
yun.
matindi yun. Ang bacon medyo mahirapan kang siraan eh. Mahirapan kang siraan ng bacon. Clubhouse yun eh.
Darla says, I went to a lamay recently. Yeah, I guess a rich person lamay, Darla was saying, because she said there was a potato corner, a Seattle's Best, and a Shakey's stall.
Uy!
So yeah, when you think Shakey's at a lamay, you're not thinking rich people. But if you see a stall, now we're talking. Potato
Oh.
corner stall and a Seattle's Best na medyo tumaas na yung... yeah.
Diyan magsasayta yung taklesa mo pamangkin na, Tito, sana may mamatay ulit sa inyo, ha?
Well, that's kind of what happened here. And there was family drama.
Oh.
The prodigal son,
Oh no.
fashion designer, came home for his mom's funeral after
Okay.
20 years.
Oh, wow.
okay.
Yeah, bad parenting, bad kids. What are you going to do? Let's...
Oh my gosh. Muy naman eh.
Bad parenting, naging fashion designer.
naging New York fashion
New
designer.
York fashion designer. This is
wala kwenta eh.
this is,
Not
di ba?
Bad
Ito, ano
parenting, clearly. Yeah, 20 years.
Itong
hindi na-
rebelde. Rebelde
Oh.
ko sa nanay ko.
Yeah,
Baka
yeah,
naman
just
hindi siya
came
inaccept.
during the death. Why are you saying bakla siya? Porket New York fashion designer?
Oo
Ibig
nga,
sabihin,
ikaw
bakla ka
okay.
agad.
Wala
Oh,
kami
okay.
sinasabi kay ha.
Oh,
No, I was
yeah.
talking about fashion
yan.
designing.
Oh.
Kasi gusto ko maging doktor ka. Bakit ka
bakit?
naging designer?
Bakit? Bakit ba't hindi natanggap?
Kasi, bakit hindi ka naging doktor? Gusto
Ano?
kita maging doktor.
Pagdating ka agad? Ano?
Baklak doktor. Oh.
Oh, ano?
Ano yan?
Ikaw
Pointing at you.
natutunan.
Just for
Ako ba yun?
being
Para pag
10-year-old.
ginawa na naman tayong thumbnail,
Ayoko. Para akong dragon, no?
ano nasa isip mo kayo na entrance na sa lamay? Ano? Sige nga, ano nasa isip mo anong dating nung ano?
Yung message ngayon?
Hindi, yung ano ba yung sinasabi mong fashion designer, yung pumasok sa lamay, ano yung naiisip mong entrance niya?
I don't think it was like a big dramatic moment. I think people just made a thing of it. It's a big deal to be at your parents' funeral, to send them off, whatever, diba, whatever misgivings and issues you have. I don't think you it's not a telenovela. I don't think so.
Why wait till they die?
That's a good one.
Oo. Mama!
No one says mama anymore.
So, siyempre.
I think.
New York fashion designer walking in right to mom just died. Haven't seen her in 2 decades.
Tapos pinuna yung damit ni mama.
Grabe yung binigay yung clue.
Sino nagsuot kay mama? It's not a good combination. Okay.
Darla said, "Oh, by the way, he is gay." Okay, just
Okay, happy
Okay lang eh.
Pride.
yeah. He's the designer for Rihanna and other big celebrities.
Ay,
Yeah.
Kuya Alex just shifted.
Bad parenting, bad kids. I mean, kids just
kaya
messy.
pala. Rihanna, patay na. Yung pinunta ni mama, patay na.
What are we talking about again? Oh, bad sandwiches. Any other bad
Bad
sandwiches?
sandwiches.
Okay na ako ha. Tinapay na rin. May sinabi dito pandesal na may, ano ba yan, Reno. Liver spread.
Oh
Bad?
God, liver spread. Oh God, liver spread. Oh my
Ano?
God. Yeah.
You don't like
It's terrible.
pate? Really?
Patay ba yun? Sorry kaya. Liver
Yeah, I
spread
mean-
sa amin.
Yeah.
Oh.
Liver spread. It's pate.
Hi to Tita Lulu Biano. She makes
I'm
the
learning a
best liver spread.
Ay, yun na pala umorder sa
There's no
parang
best
circle
liver
mo.
spread.
Kay, pay ng liver spread. Let's patay. Patay. Patay tayo dyan.
Patay tayo dyan.
Sarap. Pero
Ay, mo?
Just
may
go, hindi.
baguette. Masarap siya sa baguette.
Di ba? Masarap
Diba?
yan, may dairy cream.
Ano?
Alam mo ba yung dairy cream?
Yung,
Butter,
yung
tapos,
butter.
oo, tapos may...
I'm very particular
Butter
about my
and pate.
butter. Kasi parang there is a butter that has a overpowering taste and I don't like that.
Oh God, liver spread is so nasty. It's like eating
Talaga?
mud.
Di mo kaya?
Oh, it's so
Sarap
bad.
yan, mo titisin mo lang. Pandesal dapat yan mo.
No. You know, but the Beebs eats liver like all day. She loves it.
Really?
It's just,
Oh,
my God, it's so
man.
nasty. Yeah, it's. Ugh.
Oh, Brussels sprouts in a sandwich is good. I had some in Singapore. I'll send you the sandwich place.
I will never eat at a place that you recommend.
Talaga?
Yes, never.
That's so rude. But you have to go to
No, but
Violet
it's
Un.
honest.
Violet
No.
Un is really good. Come on, our listener, Christian.
There's never, you
works
haven't
there.
said one thing in the history of this show. And I agree with a lot of the stuff you say, and I love your opinions on it. You've never said one thing when we talk about food that has made me excited.
Talaga?
Yeah. Everything else, okay.
Violet
Okay tayo.
Un.
Okay tayo.
Come on, just
Sandali
go for
mo.
Christian. And besides, you'll be in Iron Orchard Mall anyway, for sure.
Sure.
Mo. Ikaw
Oh,
ikaw ba open ka ba sa Singapore na pupunta kami o gusto mo talagang solo ka na? Kasi pupunta talaga ako sa Singapore. Magsabi ka na ngayon.
I think pumunta ka na lang dito so you can watch me in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
July ba? July si Mo eh.
Kaya nga.
I'm going like a couple weeks here, and then
Bibili na ako ng ticket. Madali na kasi sa Singapore. Realistic doon. Ano? Baka kasama mo si Bibs.
oh no, for sure, she's going. It's Biebs,
nga.
my mom, Biebs, Amsterdam, and myself.
Kasama ko naman yung wife ko.
Ah.
So wala tayong pressure. Pero pupunta tayo sa Violet Un. Medyo okay naman yung recommendation ni Kay. Susuportahan ko naman.
Best the best.
May kakain lang tayo sa dalawang resto tapos wag na tayo magkita ulit mo.
Dalawa?
Oo. O isa
That's a
lang.
lot.
Dalawa lang mo. Pag hindi tayo
man.
nagkita sa... Sabi mo, pag pupunta ba ako, hindi. Pagka hindi tayo magkikita, wag na ako pupunta.
Let's talk about it all offline because I wanna make sure I got the dates right that you can go. And then if not, I'm going back in September 30. So,
Pinalagpasan mo pa yung show ko. September 19 nga ako. Kaya nga pumunta ako ng July.
Iniwas niya talaga.
hindi, well, okay. Hindi, mag-Pilipinas na lang tayo. September 30. Let's go to the beach.
Ayan, Pilipinas tayo, ha?
Oh, that. Okay, fine. We'll do that.
Siargao.
Israeli.
Wag.
Yeah.
Magkano tayo?
No, I mean, I want to. But,
Palawan.
Hello, Boracay is the best.
Okay, let's do this. But the problem with September 30, that's always big bagyo. Like our
Hindi.
biggest bagyos have always been first week of October. If you go back in
Yes.
history, all of our major ass-kicking, world-class signal number 15 have always been like
Wala tayong
October 3, October 4. You know what I mean?
Last 3 years mo, hindi kasi birthday show ko yan.
Kasi-
Ako noon, wala bang. Remember?
Okay. All right. Okay.
Ano ngayon, umurong na. November na ngayon mo. Umurong
Okay.
na siya.
Actually,
November.
ngayon may paparating. Hindi ko
Oo.
alam kung natuloy yung bagyo.
Natuloy, Kay. Pag
Tapos na.
binabantayan kasi, natutuloy eh. Diba, ganun lagi pa reporter, may binabantayan tayong papasok. Pero papunta ata siya sa papunta ata siya sa Taiwan. Papasok siya
Ooh.
pero hindi tatama. Pero maapektuhan lang yung hanging habagat.
Yeah, lakas
Kaya
ng hangin.
maulan. Oh, grabe yung ulan dito mo.
Right now?
Biglaan tas malakas. Hindi ngayon ha. Bigla siyang lalakas. Talagang kala mo thunderstorm. Tapos kinakabahan
It's
tuloy yung mga
tropical.
flood
It's
control.
tropical weather.
Kinakabahan
It's
tuloy yung mga...
normal.
Ha?
That's tropical weather. That's tropical weather.
Kakaiba.
Right? That's-
Hindi, kakaiba ngayon. Mabilis, biglaan, tas nawawala.
Are the drops mataba? Or are they thin?
Grabe, may halong kidlat.
What's this in your nose?
Manakanak ang pagulan. Manakanak ang pagulan.
Okay, can you pick it for him, please?
Ano siya, parang ano siya na...
Yung buhok, mahaba. Mahaba na yung buhok. It's tickling you. You gotta shave the thing like an old man. Yeah, that's what it is. The hair is curling. Remember yesterday we talked about Bulbul and Kay hated it? It's starting to curl inside. You got...
Tama mo. Tama, ang galing mo talaga dyan mo. Tama. Yung buhok to.
You gotta take a break. When we come back,
Go to
we'll
the
have more of the
banyo.
show.
Go.
Yes.
Deal with it in the banyo.
No. Gusto ko maano ka, Kay. Maapektuhan ka.
Yeah. We'll take a break. When we come back, we have more of the show. You're listening to Good Times here, Magic 89.9. Don't go away. Back after this.
Good times.
It's Madison Beer and Lover Girl at 8:18. So I finally made a Instagram account for my dog.
Ooh. Do we follow it?
I don't know if you want to. Don't know if you want to. I don't know if you'll feel
Mahurt
bad.
ka?
If you
Mahurt
don't.
ka?
No, hindi naman sa akin yun eh. Sa kanya yun.
Maybe my dog can follow your dog. How about that? But
Does
my
your dog have
doesn't.
an does your dog have an Instagram account too?
No, she does not.
Oh, well, how would we do that then?
Sorry. I was just lying.
Galing mo, Kay.
Sorry. I was trying to lie.
Yeah, it's okay.
This is why I'm not a boy. Kidding!
Wow.
Yeah, speaking of lying boys, did you guys see John Estrada guest on
No.
Mateo Guiducelli's podcast? Mateo's got this weird podcast. Like it looks like a like a
It's not a
talk
podcast. I think
show.
it's a show.
podcast.
It's a talk
isn't it?
show.
I thought it was a
talk show.
podcast.
It's a talk
Isn't
show.
it with a podcast form?
No, it
Because
like
I only
late
saw
night.
I saw it online. I saw it online as a podcast, but I didn't. But maybe it was just clips.
I think it's a late night show.
Parang
format.
ganon.
That's the
Oh,
format.
because I saw it. It said like a podcast on it, or maybe I just read it wrong. But he had John Estrada on and Randy Santiago
Oh,
for
Father's
the
Day.
Father's Day. Yeah, Father's Day special. And John talked about cheating, lying. You know, he's like kind of an expert at this. I don't know. Do we have a clip of this, Alvin? Can we get a clip of this? He just talks about regrets and maybe after 53 years, it finally comes to him. Maybe cheating would hurt his wife. I don't know, but let's go ahead and press play.
Galingan nyo para hindi kayo mahuli.
No, don't do it.
Don't do it.
Can you get louder volume on this, Alvin? I barely hear it.
Say no.
Galingan nyo para hindi kayo mahuli.
No, don't do it.
Don't do
it.
Say no.
Pagsisisihan nyo yan, maniwala kayo sa
Wow!
Yeah, I'm,
Does John Estrada have a biggest regret?
of course.
Can you share or no?
No, I mean, you learn your lesson, Mate, and every day you learn something and you just realize that the only time you realize it when it's not there anymore, and it's painful, you know? But with pain for me is a portal. It's a gateway, di ba? The version of you coming out of that pain can be your best version ever. Actually, I'm back with the Lord right now. I'm not gonna be corny. And may Diyos talaga, Matt. You know? Pag tinapik ka ng Diyos, masakit. I wish that to no one. Don't do it. You'll regret it for the rest of your
Well,
life.
Estrada, fall in love again.
Well, I hope so. But if you're gonna ask me next if I'll ever gonna get married again, never.
But you don't regret any of your marriages. You don't regret no regrets.
way.
It's just a
No,
stage
no,
of your life.
Listen, I don't really on legacy, Matt. I just want one day when I'm gone. I mean, we're all gonna be gone. But I just want my kids to say, I miss Dad. Yeah, I miss him around. I hope our kids will see or our apos will naabutan si Dad natin kasi he's cool, he's ganon. Yan lang.
53 years old, John Estrada is.
Uy, kasi edad kami nun ah.
That's a weird answer for legacy, right? For your children. It's like I just want him to miss me, and then just kind of like, oh yeah, he was cool.
I think maybe that's a realization because you hear it from people your age missing their dads. Like I talk about my dad and how I miss him. And I always think that's like a sign of a life well lived, you loved well, and you will be missed if you're like a great dad. So maybe he's there where he's looking to the future to help navigate his present. Because he's in a portal, right? He's like in that portal. He's like transitioning from his regrettable decisions. Diba? Parang ganun.
Ito naman, on the other side mo, halimbawa, isa ako sa mga ex ni John Estrada. Is that a, coded message, especially dun kay Priscilla na,
Coded in which one? The
Like, I want you back?
Parang ganon.
well, he's asked her back several times, according to Priscilla, right? He said that there was an attempt at reconciliation as recently as last year. I mean, last year was kind of when all this fell apart, right? The divorce was finalized in Brazil, but throughout last year, I mean, they were online, right? Kind of exchanging, and Priscilla was very vocal about it. But I think John was trying to reconcile, and she was like, no.
Parang, according to studies kasi, ang pagiging babaero, tapos nabitawan.
Which study is this, Lex?
Research ko rin.
Personal research.
Pagka may isang girl, tapos halimbawa, lumipat ka, ang gusto ng babaero, may ka pa rin eh. Parang you can still go back, kaya nga nagkakaroon ng multiple.
Home base?
Oh, mga multiple relationship, kaya ganun. Kasi pag nakita mo na yung isa na wala sa'yo, tapos nakita mo medyo parang, oy, gusto ko ulit makakuha to ha. Pero technically, hindi ka naman talaga nagbabago. You just want, yun ang pagkakaintindi ko doon ha. Ang pagiging babaero kasi kaya ka naging ganun is you want ang tingin mo sa mga babae parang mga property. I'm not talking about dyan Parang tingin mo ganun na pagka pumulipat ka sa iba, and then nakita mo na nakakawala na sa itong isa, and then excited ka na naman kasi gusto mo na malaman pwede pa ba ako dito, and you will try and try. Parang ganun.
So you think a babaero, no matter who the girl is, because I again said this a million times. We've had Priscilla Mirielles on the show.
Mhm.
She's walked through our door. She sat on the morning show with us, and I keep saying I've never seen a more beautiful person most beautiful person I've ever seen in my life.
Wow.
Oh.
And interviewed the biggest celebrities in the world. I've never met anybody more beautiful. So even like and it doesn't just mean porque you're highest tier ganda that you're not a rotten person, but she was always in all the interactions that we've had super kind, super nice. Like again, I don't know her intimately or anything like it, but she seems super cool. So that beauty, really, what I think is a good personality. Still, if you have a babaero in your life, it does not matter what you bring to the table. They will cheat on you. Is that what you're saying, Lex?
Oh.
Wow.
Kasi, di ba may mga babae, di ba may mga ganun na naghihiwalay, maganda na yung babae, niloloko pa rin. Di ba?
Yeah. But I mean, what's the percentage of guys that are like that? You can say all guys are kind of like, okay, they're wired a certain way, or you think about girls. But there are a lot of dudes that if they score the perfect one for them, the one that they're ideal, they're, oh my
They will
God, I can't
stop.
believe this is happening. They'll stop. For sure.
Oh.
For sure. So what do you think, what kind of babaero are we talking about then? Like the ones that cannot stop regardless of who's in their life. And where are you in between those two guys?
Easy lang kay
Buti, at least ako sa ilong lang ako nag-fixate. Ito may paratang na mabigat.
Di ba parang parang ang babaero ata hindi talaga niya tingin ang tingin niya sa mga karelasyon niya hindi tao. Ang tingin niya is parang price, parang ownership nga. Kaya pagka nakuha niya isang trophy para ma-maintain niya yung yung kanyang status na yon, kailangan niya matuloy-tuloy na sa iba naman. So hindi siya masasatisfied sa maganda. Kasi it's just it's just another trophy.
Yeah.
Pag ganun ang
What were you gonna
attitude mo,
say?
hindi ka talaga titigil. Yo.
Alexandra says, once a cheater, always a cheater. That I don't agree with. Yeah, there's so many cheaters that you can't say that all of them are going to continue to be that way. But that is a common line you'll hear a lot. Once a cheater, always a cheater. That is very, very not true.
Pero sa kaso ni John, ito seryoso to sa interview na yon, parang nakaramdam ako ng sincerity.
No, in this one? Is it because he's on a little bit of a faith fire?
Oh, hindi, parang nakita ko may konting sincerity kasi nagulat si Randy. Kasi siguro akala niya joke. Pero mukhang yung niya na sabi niya, no, don't do it. Parang in a way nakaramdam ako
It's
ng
like a warning.
Nakaramdam ako
to
ng
other
parang
people.
nasaktan siya.
Like, this is my contribution to you guys. This is my wisdom. Don't do it.
And it comes with age mo, by the way. It
I was going to
usually
say,
comes with age.
because look, I mean, you're still cheating on your amazing wife last year, right? Or at least 24. You're 51 at that point.
I think
What age are we talking about when it
factor
comes
din
to
siguro yung kids because he mentioned it, right? And it was Father's Day after all. And I think he has a daughter who's getting married. So I think it also comes to play that you're now seeing that you want them to look at you in a certain light. And that won't do if you haven't matured at your age.
So tough. That's such a tough decision. And I get what you're saying, but that's a tough realization when it's not too late, but when they're full adults already. Like that's when you're
dami lang opinions, di ba? Kasi
not
now,
even just that. Like they're more formidable years of learning and having a role model and all of that stuff. Forget it. I'm just going to show them when they're 28.
Hindi. Imagine na natin, nasa public kasi si Jan Estrada, no? Pero maraming mga normal guys na katulad niyan. Pero malaking factor siguro yung sa akin na age. Walang nagre-retire ng 34, 35. Kaputukan mo yan eh. Sa tingin ko may factor yung age ha. Mga 53, katulad ko na 53. Jan Estrada, malamang siguro umihina na rin yung range niya. Dumiliit na rin yung range niya. Kasi pag mga 35 ka, pwede ka pa pumatol to mga 22, 25 eh. Di ba? 25. Pero pag mga 53 ka na, lumiliit na rin yung selection process mo. Pati yung selection mo, lahat yun gusto na rin ng stable relationship. Kaya medyo magre-retire ka na rin. Out of... Ha?
53?
Malay mo, maaga siya. Tapos reputasyon pa niya. Siyempre, lumiliit na rin yung mundo niya dahil kilala na siya dahil nasa public nga siya eh. Lumiliit na yung laruan niya. Kaya ang aga niya mag-retire. Baga sa basketball. Kasi pagpapasok siya sa liga, alam na kagad na, ay, Jan Estrada to. Hindi ka na makaporma ngayon sa mga girls. Di ba? Dalawang way lang naman yan eh. Yung Priscilla element, pwede sabihin, ay, pumatol ka Priscilla. Pag pinatulan ako, maganda ako. Pero mas siguro, mas malakas na ngayon yung chance ang, ay, Jan Estrada, manluloko yan. Baka yun na yung nagtutulak din sa kanya para magbago. Ayun ang sa akin ha.
Yeah. Okay.
53 ha. Nagulat nga ako, 53 para si Jan.
The great news is he's telling people to be faithful. So
I'm sorry.
yeah, that's just, maybe it starts by declaring it. Is it a wish? Is it a hope? Yeah.
Pero kaya pag sinabi kong 35, sasabihin ko sa kanya, ba't pakilaman? Nasa paputukan ako, mga ganun. Joke lang ganun. Nasa paputukan ako, di ba? Parang, ngayon magsasabi ka pagkatapos mo mag-enjoy ng lahat. Ngayon pipigilan mo kami mag-enjoy. Di ba? Pero anyway, nag-gets ko. Pero nakakita ko ng konting sincerity. Konti.
He's a really good actor.
Pwede din ako mo. Inihintay ko sabihin mo yan na maaring part na naman ng plan yan para may kinakausap din siyang bago ngayon na nagbagong buhay na ako.
I see. Okay.
Pwede yun, no? Uy, napanood ko ito sa TV. I think you're a changed man. Di ba? Pwede. Ang galing nito ni Mo Twister talaga.
You're the one outing. I'm just questioning.
Ina-analyze lang natin para lang sa mga ano. Pero totoo yun ha, mahirap talagang manloko. Mahirap.
It's okay.
Oo.
Have you ever dated a babaero? Siguro hindi.
No naman.
May na-date ka bang babaero after mo na nalaman? Kasi
Yeah.
siyempre, ngayon,
Hindi
sa
ko
ngayon,
feeling but good time. You know, that just
I have no voice. I have to take a 5-minute.
you have a voice. You always have a voice.
No,
Don't
sick.
think that you don't have a
I have
voice.
to rest.
Hindi, ito okay. Seryosong tanong to.
Just
Ikaw lang kasi
blink.
babae. Ikaw lang kasi girl dito eh. Nabiktima ka na ba ng cheating? Wala akong sasabihin pangalan.
No
Parang-
comment.
Bayan.
No, kayo pa ako nag-no comment.
Just blink.
What? I don't want to talk about
Like,
these
para makatulong ka
things.
sa mga kababaihan. Ano ang mga signs?
Alam mo kung ano makakatulong sa mga kababaihan? Si Papa Jack. My
So
idol.
cheating on us. Now you're cheating on us.
Papa Jackson na siya ngayon.
Hindi
pwede
na
pa-
rin. I think he's back to... Yeah, I think... Wala na. I think he's back to... I don't know.
Ayun lang.
I should check his TikTok. Yeah. Why?
Anong double, anong tawag doon? Double whammy. Yung karelasyon mo siya, tapos okay naman yung relasyon nyo, maayos ang hiwalayan nyo,
Mm.
tapos saan mo nabalitaan na naliloko ka pala niya?
Yeah.
Or mas magandang nahuli mo siya during the relationship?
I want to know the later. I like to just know later because I'm over it already.
Ah.
Hopefully, I'm over it. I'm relationship's over. Not really kind of in the thick of things. And then if I just find out at a later time, I'm like, okay na yan.
Okay. Saludo!
Yeah.
Okay.
And then rather than in the middle of it, though, I don't know. Do you think anybody would pick that? Would you rather find out you were cheated on while you're with them or after you're with them? I think everybody, largely everybody would
Oo,
pick.
dapat ako rin after in terms of feelings, no? Pero in terms of revenge, during sana para ang sarap nun. Ano? Diba? Hindi mo na kasi pwedeng mailabas siya pagkatapos mga 2 years later, split na kayo. Wala ka naman hindi mo na siya mababalikan. Nasabihin na, sira ulo ka, nung tayo pala. Wala na, no?
Yeah.
The now it makes sense moment. Ito ba yung, kaya pala siya ganun sa akin dati.
Yeah. Did you know all the clues? That's why he was doing that with his phone.
Oo nga.
Yeah, that's why kung umuwi from basketball, hindi pinapawisan. I gotcha.
Alam ko na. Okay, ano yung mga...
Yeah, you ever have a clue?
Ano yung mga, yung mga signs na manloloko yung karelasyon mo?
Hindi niyo ako maloloko. Kasi
Okay, that's why.
ayokong,
Yeah, how did you know? How did you do that?
ayokong magbitaw ng salita today na maglalagay sa akin sa pahamak.
Generic
So,
naman tong
Who
sagutan.
would do that? Who would do that?
Wala. Marami. Alam kong galawan nyo. Maraming kailangan pag-usapan sa bayan. Huwag tayo maghanap ng mga walang kwentang mga topic na ako ilalagay nyo sa pahamak. I don't want to be a distraction to the important things in our
Hindi.
society.
Wala, ano na lang, textbook answer na lang. What are the signs, both ways, na ang isang tayo nag-cheat?
I have
What are you
no
looking for?
idea.
Oo.
I have no idea. Honestly.
Ano ba ako si Yael? Ano sa tingin mo mag-iibang ugali niya para malaman mo?
Oh my God. I don't even want to
Biglang
attract
mag-gym.
that kind of thing.
Oo.
No. I am not even gonna.
Biglang kumanta ng cover song.
Dami ng bagong love songs.
I reject this topic. Honestly, I don't want to even imagine it. Thank you.
Ano tayo mag-ship ng topic nito mo? Wala tayong
Okay.
space.
Kayo na lang ang magsalita.
Okay,
Total, baka nag-cheat na kayo sa buhay nyo.
Oy! Nako! Oy!
What an accusation.
We are hurt!
That's a leading question. Oh my God. Okay.
Kung mag-cheat kayo, don't! Nga ni John
I don't
Estrada,
recommend.
don't.
Wait. I don't recommend.
I don't recommend.
We gotta go.
Ano tawag doon? Ano tawag doon? Ano sinasabi nung isang yung damage emotional, ano yun?
Yeah. Emotional damage. He does that, right?
Is that the tone?
Kind of Malaysian, Singaporean
Emotional.
accent. Emotional damage.
Oh, I was thinking that was a LA accent. Sorry. I got confused.
No. I think it's either Malaysian or Singapore. Has anyone heard from Mara? We have not heard from her in
Oo nga eh.
I asked for her email address for my play.
Di siya nag-group chat.
She replied to me. Not like Kuya Alex, who didn't reply about my invitation for. I mean, it didn't mean you were gonna go. I was just asking for your email so that an invitation could be sent to you.
Can we have a listener? Can we have a listener, GC? But
Maybe.
with all of us there, but we only allow one listener in every week or every month. Every month. So do you want 12 new listeners in this GC or do you want 52 listeners in this GC?
Well, I think that's something that Viber gives. I mean that those.
No. I mean, yeah, but we don't want 10,000 there. So one a month. We'll choose one a month, and a genuine. Well, it's like a genuine GC. You know, it's not one where we're just there to promote or we're just there to do the. Hey guys, listen to the podcast. It's how this.
Right.
I mean, like a really legitimate. yeah. Wag mo lang watch Quezon.
We
Charlie
be
and
promoting.
Buy two get two free. You know, like none of that stuff. Just a real legit, genuine chat group.
Chat groups are so tough. It's like it entails so much time and commitment. No.
That's why it's once a week. You enter. You put a new one in there once a month.
Oh gosh.
Tapos tatanggalin natin isa.
Just the
Wait a
idea of having
That's actually
another
kinda
chat group.
That's actually kind of good. You bring one in, but then you replace them every month. But at least they stay for a month. That's not bad, dude. No, Lex, that's not a terrible idea, to be honest.
Para isa-isa lang.
Maybe in a month where we're not busy.
But it's just one person, Kay. If they flood, we'll kick them out. I love this idea, Lex.
Oh.
We'll just throw them in the one we already have right now.
Ako nga, 1 week lang eh. Tapos palit tayo eh. Para
All the government secrets that you guys are now privy to.
Well,
All
like the aliens.
Yeah. All the exposure you have to all the stuff that's going on.
Yan, para
Love
makikita
it.
mo yung mga request ni Kay. At mare-remind mo kami.
Oh, diba? It's okay.
Yes, Kay.
You'll see the
Watch
GC
Kevin.
all the time. Kay goes, Kuya Alex, magpalibre ka naman ng lunch.
After studio day, I went to the studio, by the way, yesterday. Hi to Tina. Yeah.
Why?
Wala. I got my sweldo.
What, you just randomly also go to the Wish Bus every now and then? Or what is
No,
this?
I got my sweldo.
You talk to Papa Jack.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like his clear stance against being a kabit. Like that is my favorite.
A bet ticket.
Kabetiket. Yes.
No, he says hindi mo pangarap yan. Pwede yan movie title.
Kami, may ang stand, pag nakinig ka ng podcast namin mo, we're flexible. We adjust.
Correct.
We
It's
don't
really this. We work in the gray.
Yes.
Not everything is black and white.
Right.
Yeah. So
I think
I
what
can
he
hear my
says
dog.
is, oh,
I
bye.
can hear my dog losing his mind.
Jungkook?
Sorry. Yeah,
Okay,
I gotta
go.
check. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes. Sana earlier, please. Maybe.
Yeah, as long as I don't have to watch another episode of Game of Thrones, I'm fine. It took me
Okay,
so
watch.
long. It's really hard to understand.
Lex, you have 20 minutes tomorrow that we will dedicate for your reaction.
Yes. Prepare
Yes.
yourself.
Yari ka sa akin.
Yes. Yari kayo sa akin. Ano to? Walang no censorship. Lahat.
No holds barred. Review.
Pure emotion. Raw
I don't know
emotion.
their names, but
I don't know names, but I know.
I'll give you
Paano
the-
matandaan ko? Seryoso to.
The
Okay.
cards.
Lex, okay, before we go, name 10 characters of Game of Thrones.
Oh,
Get their names correct. Name 10. Ready?
Si Jon Snow.
Mm.
Si Jamie Lassiter.
oh no.
No.
Eh.
Si
Don't look. Don't look.
si Targaryen.
What's the name? Dami nila.
Lalating ko na yun. Count nyo na lang isa yun.
Give me a first name. Go. Huy. Keep your eyes straight.
Hindi ko talaga alam mo yan. Hindi naman ako talaga mandadaya. Basta ko talaga naalala ko. Si
Da.
Dracarys.
That's not- that's a command. That's a verb.
to make
Okay,
it's a
the
verb.
fire.
Si, alam yan, hindi ko talaga matandaan yung mga pangalan. mo.
Da.
Yung maliit. Yung maliit. Sino yun?
Si,
Yung maliit. Oh. Si Lassiter. Oh. Sino yun?
hindi ko na matandaan yung pangalan ng maliit. Hindi ko na matandaan yung maliit. Oo. Wala akong
Kasama
matanda-
ko sa Quezon. Mr.
Hindi,
Oh, the one from Quezon.
hindi ko na rin alam yan.
Friendzone.
Alimutan ko na yung
Mr.
friendzone.
Friendzone.
Alam ko lang sila friendzone. Oo nga, no?
You can only name one person, Jon Snow.
Si Jon Snow lang.
You know nothing.
And you're so
Ah,
passionate
si-
about the show.
Yes.
Yeah, I guess that's like, you know
Si
nothing.
Drago.
Jon Snow.
Si Drago.
Drogo.
Yung
Khal
Drogo.
Drogo.
Yung bumanat kay ano.
Yeah, Khal Drogo.
Si, ayun.
Okay.
Hindi ko na
Tyrone.
talaga alam.
Si Tyrone.
Si Tyrone yung maliit.
Tyrion.
Sorry.
Tyrion.
Hindi ko talaga, honest ano to ha. Honest, hindi talaga ako matandahin sa pangalan kaya nahihirapan na
Who's
ako.
the guy that carries Bran Stark on his back? Yung malaki.
Si Hodor. Hodor.
Got it.
That,
See?
for
Oh.
me, is the biggest, best reveal of a character.
Di-
Oh, correct.
That
yeah.
was
Hold the door, yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
okay yun.
Mind
That's a good
blown moment.
Yeah, good point, Kay. Good point.
Thanks.
Sino ba? Come on, you have one only.
Dragons. Name the dragons.
Takot pa. Ang description ko lang doon, malaki, maliit.
Green.
The one who's at
Tay, buhay.
Mababa.
Ice King.
Nga.
Night King.
Sorbetero. Mamang sorbetero.
Ice
Anong
King sounds
ngalan
like
mo?
potato
Ice
corner
King.
version for ice candy. Okay, who killed the Night King?
Yung girl. Si girl, di
Oh.
ba? Yung nilaglag
Sino?
niya, tapos sinaksak
Sino?
niya.
Yes. Who? What's this girl's name?
Lassiter to eh. Ay, Lassiter. Hindi, ano to eh.
No.
Sa ano to eh. Yung yung lahi ni, kalimutan ko na nga yung pinatay na, natatay. Di ba nagkatingin na pa sila noon?
Yes.
Si Stark. Ned
Oh,
Stark.
Stark.
Ned Stark,
Ned Stark,
yung babae.
okay.
Ay, yung
Yeah,
lalaki
this is
si
his
Ned
daughter.
Stark.
Wait, this is his daughter. What's her name?
Si Aura.
Exactly.
Oh, clue! There is a Persian restaurant.
Alam ko na.
Yes.
Papalma. si Aura.
Aura.
Si
Arya Stark. Exactly.
Puckles. Ano yan? Saan nga siya napunta doon na she was selling like...
Di ba yung magandang babae?
Dami.
Yung dinali din ni,
Yung ate niya?
ni Tyrone. Si ate niya, oh.
Oh, Sansa.
Yun. Ay, salamat.
Si Ate Sansa.
Oh, si Ansa. Si,
Alam ko na kung bakit. Kasi ang kilala
Oh.
mo si Sashna. Si Ate Sashna.
Arya Stark. Arya Stark.
Arya.
Si Aura. Si Aura is really
Oh,
Arya.
letter A. Pareho na yun.
It's close enough.
Ayan, parami
It's
na
close
ng parami.
Yeah. Okay. Well, hey, you're set for tomorrow. You have a
Yes.
recap right there. Now you know their names. We'll see you guys at 6 a.m. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks for hanging out with us. And we'll see you, tomorrow. Have a good one.
Yes.
Bye, everybody.
Aura
Bye.
Stark.
Good times.